Hey, what's up guys, this is Arun and welcome to my channel arunzCreation, in which we teach Photoshop, photography, After Effects, Cinema 4D, Illustrator, graphic designing, logo designing, manipulation, concept art and many more other things. Okay, so this is my Illustrator. So go to file, then click on new and take a new document and grab this rectangle tool and hold shift so that we can maintain its width and height. So this is my selection tool. Press Alt on the keyboard, then drag the mouse, then you will create a new copy for this. Okay, I want this similar, I want this, that's fine. And again make a new copy for this rectangle and again make a new copy and make it large. And if you move your mouse, then you will get this rotate. So press shift on the keyboard. I want to rotate it 45-degree angle. So this is I want. Okay, now this is Pathfinder. In Pathfinder, so firstly we have to select both shapes. Select it. Now click on this minus, and then you will get something like this. That's fine, and position it and again make a new copy for this rectangle. Press Alt on the keyboard and drag your mouse, then you will have this. Okay, that's fine, and rotate it 45-degree. That's fine. I want something like this. That's nice. Okay, now select two layers and again go to Pathfinder. I want to merge this shape. Now this is my shape. Again press Alt and drag your mouse. Okay, I want something like this. This is nice, very nice. And select all layers, and I want to make it small so that we can easily work on it. Press Ctrl 0 to fit it on the screen. Okay, now select both shapes, press shift on the keyboard, and then so firstly I think I have to move it. Okay, now to move it down. Okay, I want this position. Now select these two layers, press Alt, now drag, now move it, means rotate it. Now this is the shape I got. I think this is the position I want. That's fine. Okay. Okay, this is the final shape. Now there is a special way to save it. Okay, firstly I want this shape in the center of this document. Now select all layers, now Ctrl X, now edit, now paste. Now it will be in the center. Okay, now this is in the center. Then go to view, then ruler, then show ruler. Now 0 is here. Now 0 is here. Okay, now take a point and drag it in the center. Okay, this is my center point. Okay, now you can see here 0. Now 0, this is. Now go to file, then save as. Now save as. This is my arrow tile. Now click on save, then you have a special window. Now we have this Illustrator 17. Now I have to save it Illustrator 8 because Cinema 4D only access Illustrator 8 files. Now this document has been saved. Okay, go to file, then open, then we have this file arrow style. Now this scale value I want 1. Mark on this. Now click on OK. Now this is the shape we got. This is my all layers on there. Okay, select this. Now go to coordinates. I want at it's in the center of this document. For this, select it, so 0. Now it is in the center of this document, so we have to create path. Means we have to create floor and background to create. So hold your mouse on there. Now this is your floor. Now again go to here, then I want background. Okay, if you render it, now you will see it is not very smooth. I want very white gray look tone. To get this, double click on there, create a material. So double click on this. Now this texture I want something like gradient. In gradient, click on this gradient, right click on this black dot. I want invert nodes. Like this white I want light gray. Like this black I want black, means dark gradient. Click on there, type I want circular. Now see there. Okay, now we are ready with the material. Now drag it to floor. Now again drag it to background. Now select both materials and projection I want frontal. Okay, now see there. Okay, one more thing I want to do. Go to right click on there, this floor, Cinema 4D tags. In composition you will find composition background, yes, and self shading, unmark this. Now see this. Okay, now you can see document, it means it is not as per my requirement. So go to setting. I want width for this document for final render something like 12 to 40. I think it will be better. Okay, now we are ready with background and all that. So now this time I will create material for this shape. Okay, move this up. So hold your mouse there and extrude I want. Okay, this is my path 1. Drag it to extrude. Now select your extrude and go to object, and I want something like 130, you can say. Okay, again create a extrude, select your path, drag it to here, select your extrude object. Firstly I have to check it 130. I think I will try for 135. That will be fine for this new shape. 135. Again take a new extrude, Ctrl Z, new extrude, select your shape, which is the shape. Okay, this is my shape. Now drag it to here, select it, 135. Again extrude, now this is the shape. Select this extrude, 135. Now we are ready with the shape. Okay, now these are my shape for arrow. Okay, but for this extrude I want flip. Now select all these layers, right click on there, connect objects and delete. Now this is my final shape for this arrow. Okay, I have to create only one extrude for this shape. Now drag it to here. Okay, now see this from the side. This is my, okay, I think I should move it about here. Select this extrude. Okay, now we are ready with this shape. You can see here. Now I will try to render it. Okay, now firstly see this. This is my rendered material. Now this time I will create a material for this. So I think create, and you have to load them. Now this is the material. Now load your material here. Okay, I want blue shade for these boxes. Drag, drop, drag, and gray for this arrow. Now try this render. Okay, close it. On the top of all these, create a new light source. Go to more graph, and we have this cloner. I want to clone the light. Now drag it to cloner. Go to cloner. In cloner we want this radial, and plane I want x to z axis. Radius you can see here, and number of light source, this is 14, and move here. Okay, now select this light source. In light source you have this shadow. I want shadow maps, very soft. Now try to render it. Now you can see a very nice effect on there. Okay, that's fine. So this time I will position it better. Okay, now you can see there very nice position is there. Okay, I want a null so that I can connect all objects. So go to this shape and then create a null, and select all these shapes and connect to this null. Okay, select this null and select this rotate tool. I want to rotate it something like this. Now rendered it. Now you can see a very nice effect on there. Now I will work for the light. The light is very high, so select this light source. In the intensity you will get this on 100. I will try it for this 85. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I think I will render it to final. I will try to render again with the low intensity of the light. Go to light source, something like 83. Okay, 74. I think this is better, and I'm getting very better result. Then I want to save this. Instead of this TIFF, I want PNG with 16-bit channel. Now save it. This is my arrow style PNG. now this file has been saved.